See, what is a data type? Whenever you are declaring the variable, suppose I want to store a person age 23, then first you need to decide what is the variable name. Then we need to decide what type of data it is. Suppose integer. If I want to store a person height, it's a decimal. Here it is a variable name I decided, height, and the type is a float type. Suppose the person name I want to store, it's a string representing with a double quotes. It's a name and we need to specify that string. Okay, the data type is nothing but representing what type of values we are storing into specified variables. But one point here, Python doesn't support variables. In the declaration of variable, normally we need to specify the syntax like this: data type, what is the variable name and value. But in case of Python, no need to specify the data type. Data type, Python is dynamically typed into the variable. You can store any type of value. It will accept at runtime. It will not show any error message. Data type is used to specify what type of data we are going to store into the variable. That is.